Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon EC2 instance on AWS and connect to it using the AWS browser-based connection. First, I'm already logged into the AWS Management Console. If you're not logged in, sign in with your AWS account. From the AWS console, search for EC2 and open the Amazon EC2 service. If you're new to EC2, you can also read the documentation to understand what Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud is and how it provides scalable virtual servers in the cloud. Now let's go back to the EC2 dashboard and click Launch Instance. The first step is to provide a name for the instance. I'll enter a meaningful name, so it's easy to identify later. Next, select the operating system or Amazon machine image. In this demonstration, I'm using Ubuntu, which is a popular and widely used Linux distribution. Now choose an instance type. For this demonstration, select t3.small. The next step is creating a key pair. Click Create New Key Pair. Enter a name for the key pair. Select the PEM file format. Now click Create Key Pair. The private key file will automatically download to your computer. Keep this file in a safe location. Next, review the network settings. Make sure the security group allows SSH access on port 22. If you're planning to host a website, you can also enable HTTP on port 80 and HTTPS on port 443. After reviewing all the settings, click Launch Instance. AWS will now provision the virtual machine. This usually takes a few seconds. Once the instance status changes to running, select your instance. Now click on the Connect button. In the connection options, choose EC2 Instance Connect, browser-based SSH. Then simply click Connect. This will open a new browser window and you will be directly connected to your EC2 instance without using any terminal or SSH command. Now that we are connected, let's create a new folder. Type the command mkdir test and press Enter. This will create a folder named Test. To verify, type ls and press Enter. You will see the test folder listed in the output. That's it. You have successfully created an AWS EC2 instance, connected to it using the AWS browser, and performed basic commands. From here, you can install software, configure web servers, deploy applications, or use the server for development and testing. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AWS and cloud computing tutorials.